Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul and I'm super excited to talk about SQL aggregate functions in this video. So in our previous video we have talked about the count function. In this video we'll be discussing about the average function. So average function is an aggregate function in SQL and it returns the average value of a numeric column. Whenever you want to calculate average of a certain column, you can use this average function. So let's go and see if we have any numerical column in our table, which is promotional email. We will write select star from and then we'll put this table name, and if I run this query you will see that we have this mail opening time is a numerical column. Now if I want to find out the average of this particular column, then I can simply use this average function, right? The most simplest example would be that we can write average, and then after average we have to put this column name, which is mail opening time. And now if I run this query, I should get the overall average of the time on which the emails are getting opened by the subscriber. Now if you want to find out average at a subscriber level, what you need to do is that you just simply need to put subscriber ID first, and then you need to put average mail opening time from the table name, and then you have to use group by also, because group by will help you to summarize this average mail opening time by each and every subscriber. Now if I run this query, you will have your subscriber ID as well as the average mail opening time of each and every subscriber. So this is how basically you use this average function to calculate average of the numerical columns. Now if you want to understand or learn more about SQL, then you can click on the right side of this video to watch my other SQL videos. Else if you want to learn about Excel for data analytics, you can click on the left side of this video. Happy learning and see you in the next video.